PDYN stock analysis and price predictions for Friday. Is Palladyne AI stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief short 1-minute video. I'm the only guy in this space doing 43,000 videos like this over 5 years and documenting everything, so I have seen what's working and what's not, and it's all on my YouTube channel. You can go ahead and check it out. Nothing to kind of hide, especially now with PDYN, where this is pumping like crazy. From this current idea that I had way beforehand, there's nothing that I would change, man. Like, here is the proof. Yeah, like, again, 588 at the time, 3 months ago, 1st of April. This was made on April Fool's Day, and now it's like almost 15. It's crazy. I was like, literally in that prediction, I'm looking for a 3x. And since 1st of April to now, it's like around May, June, July, kind of 3 months, I guess, plus. And if the price pulls down a bit and gives me a double break, then I'm still looking to double down, if that makes sense, you know what I mean? So let me know what is your opinion. Obviously not financial advice, do your own due diligence and all that good jazz. And if you want to get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. It's free sauce.